In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Prizepicks account without an ID. Now, this video is only going to be explaining legal solutions that we can actually do. We are not going to be showcasing anything weird or suspicious or anything like that. In this video, I'm just going to give you the clear truth on how to actually fix this issue. Okay, so if you don't have a valid ID, you cannot play on Prizepicks. But if you're underage or you don't have an ID, ask a parent or a guardian or maybe like a sibling to create an account for you. They'll need to use their own ID, they need to manage the account, and basically you just pick the lineups under their supervision and they will pay you out instead. So obviously you want to do this with someone who is actually trusted. For me, I would go ahead and use someone like a brother or a sister. A parent would also get the job done, or maybe like an uncle or even a close friend. But basically they need to go ahead and control the account. They make the account, then you would give them the money and you would also give them the lineups as well. Another thing that you could do is to simply get your ID. Now, most states let you grab a state ID for cheap if you don't drive. It's legal, it's yours, and you're good to go. Honestly, guys, getting an ID is just the best way to just get rid of this whole entire issue, guys. Now, if you already tried to like use an ID to verify your account and it's not working, it could be that the ID is in the wrong format, or maybe there is a blurry photo, or there's an issue with the camera or whatever like that. That actually does happen quite frequently. So what you would need to do is you need to go to the top left, then you need to go ahead and select on Help Center. And essentially all you want to do is you want to scroll down till you see Chat with a Representative. I personally like just going directly to Chat with a Representative, and you want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that you're trying to go ahead and confirm your account using an ID, but it's not working. But those are honestly the best workarounds, guys. I hope that this video was able to provide some insights. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.